That drive on the grill.
So that's your tack drive is broke. I need a new one. Then this should be spinning.
And now here, oh, that fell. Pull your end out. Alright, so he can pull that out.
And look, that end is still in. Yeah, I get the camera. There you go. End is still in.
So that's definitely broke too somewhere. So we'll get you a new tack drive. And then we went ahead and pulled the engine. We had a little soft spot here. I had to pull this loose for repairing the end of this frame here. And there's a piece of plywood right here that went across in this back. So you can see, making some pretty good dents there. Over here's not real deep. It's in the top. Not a bad repair. And then I noticed there's been repair made back here on the bottom of the frame. I'll poke around some more places and see, but that, as you can see, those repairs are kind of coming loose. I'm not sure if they were if the repair was ever tight in there. We did a compression check. And 120, we had 40 on two, but then we ended up getting 50 out of it. 100, 120, 125, 105. I'm not worried about any of them really, except for cylinder 2. I'll post the video. I'll show you that, you know, it's we did a video with the low compression, so you can actually see it happening.
We got almost 60 that time.
Gauges are out. The dash is getting ready to come out. We got the upholstery up front. Getting everything measured out for the new upholstery. It's really dusty in here, but it'll be really clean. We'll go ahead and degrease and clean the bilge out. And that way you've got a good, you know, it's a good clean area in here. Wouldn't want to leave this in here anyway. But we'll definitely going to degrease this thing. So, and then we can really see what more was going on. If there's any other bad areas we need to address. So this is on the generator pulley. I can just pull the, it's not tight at all. All right, so that's yours. What was on your engine? As you can see, the pulleys are different size, the holes are different size. This one was shimmed out with I had washers back there shimming it out to get to line the pulley up, and add an extra hole in your housing. We have the Autolite 4803 is what you should have. This is one you should have. This is for another boat, but yeah, this one's got an ear on the back. It's probably come off a tractor. There's no markings on it anywhere. Probably come off a tractor or a car, or somebody made something work. Like you said, the guy had a bunch of boats, so probably just robbed something and used it. So there's cylinder 2. You can hear the hissing. It's coming out of the exhaust valve. Nothing out of the intake, nothing out of the crankcase. See, things are good. And the intake valve is shutting off. I can rotate the engine. You hear it. exhaust valve open. So that should be closed though. You hear it get a little louder. That's the exhaust valve opening. There you go. Should be closed again. And the exhaust valve isn't seating. I don't know if it's bent. Oh, but you can actually, on the left is your intake. You can see it's seated. On the right, you got a gap under your exhaust valve, and that's actually it's sticking up. So it's either bent or I'd say the valve's bent. So it might be worth just pulling the head and check that valve and get a new seat or reseat it. But and maybe you want to do hardened seats.